Hello, here we are with an unboxing and hands-on with the Cooler Master Wren. This is a high-end multifunction aluminium stand for iPad and iPad mini. In fact, whilst it's designed for iPad and iPad mini, it will work with selected other tablets, but primarily this is designed for Apple. So what this is a high-quality tablet stand, and you can kind of see the idea of how it works. There's a leg that flexes out the back, and the tablet can be positioned in portrait or landscape mode potentially, so you can sort of get some ideas about it here. So made from high grade aluminium, 360-degree iPad holder. These are the models it supports, and it can also clip on to things like shelves and that, which is a really handy feature, which I'll show you in a moment. So if I actually open this up, so there's a little bit of documentation to explain how to actually use it. You've got the stand itself, and then you've got a couple of different clips which we'll show you in just a second. So taking a look in more detail at the stand itself, then you can see it's made up of very thick, high quality aluminium, and then we've got sort of rubber pads in a variety of places to protect the actual iPad that we're sticking in the stand. It folds down completely like so, and then at the back here we've got the articulating joint for this leg, so it can stand at a variety of different angles. On the leg itself, it's got this sort of cutout which can be used to actually hook onto certain things, sort of like a screw or a hook on the wall. Got this nice rubber foot there, got a rubber foot on the bottom, got all this rubber in here to actually protect the tablet when it's in there. On the back is this little silver button which you press and releases the locking mechanism, so you can slide this in and out. Now it locks in place in two places, so there's one, so that's the larger size, and there is the second position. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in a sample or a dummy iPad. You see how that's sort of sat in the dock there? I can just push that down in place, and that is now securely held in the stand. I can move the leg about to get the viewing angle that I want. Now this also turns a full 360 degrees, so I needn't have it necessarily portrait mode, I can have it in landscape mode as well. So all these different sort of viewing angles. Then we've got these two different attachments, and you use these based on what you're attaching it to, whether it be a vertical or horizontal sort of setup. But what these do is you take this leg here and you slide these on, and you might just see that this sort of clips in place there. I can press in there to release that, and you then hook that onto the side of a desk or a shelf, for example, and then what can happen is the tablet can sort of hang in place very securely. It's not going to move anywhere, and you can use it. So in essence it could be floating. Examples they give are in the kitchen, maybe in the bathroom, so you can actually watch stuff back on screen. So that's essentially how it works, and you can interchange these. Now, whilst this is made for iPads primarily, I have also got personally an ASUS transformer pad, and this actually fits in the dock as well. So I line it up and I can move the clip on the back, so it takes a bit of fiddling to get it into the next position there, and you'll hear it clip into place. But there you can see it works in the same manner, and I can use that. And this is the ASUS transformer pad TF701. There we go. So this is available from clove.co.uk. It's the Cooler Master Wren, so please visit www.clove.co.uk to order yours today. Thanks for watching.